Γεια σου, με λένε Ρίτσαρντ. Τι κάνεις σήμερα? Εγώ πολύ καλά. Welcome to part 1 of my Simple Greek series. Here we will go through the phrases that I had just spoken, part by part, along with some extra words. First off, let me say that we will be learning the casual and informal way of speaking Greek, so do not be confused if you see the same words and phrases spoken outside of this lesson. The first word is Γεια σου. Γεια σου. Γεια σου. This means hello and can also mean goodbye. It's sort of like saying "Ya too," like when people sneeze in cartoons or kids shows. Actually, "Γεια σου" can also be used to say bless you when someone sneezes. So maybe you can remember it that way. The second phrase, με λένε, and your name. Με λένε, με λένε. So whatever your name is, just add it after με λένε. So με λένε Δημήτρη, με λένε Καταρίνα, με λένε Κώστα, με λένε Μαρία. And in my case, με λένε Ρίτσαρντ. The third phrase is τι κάνεις σήμερα? Τι κάνεις σήμερα? So let's split it up into two parts. The first, τι κάνεις? Τι κάνεις? Τι κάνεις? This literally means, what are you doing? So when someone asks you this, or when you ask this to someone, it's like you care for them so much you want to know what they're doing at that very moment. The context in which you say, how are you and what are you doing, are so different you're very unlikely to get them mixed up. So don't worry too much. The second part is σήμερα. 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 This means today. So connect the two parts, τι κάνεις and σήμερα, and you get τι κάνεις σήμερα, how are you today? Here are a few responses to the question. Καλά. Καλά. I'm well. Καλά. Πολύ καλά. Πολύ καλά. Πολύ means very, hence very well. Πολύ καλά. Έτσι και έτσι. Έτσι και έτσι. So. Έτσι και έτσι. Όχι καλά. Όχι καλά. Not well. Όχι καλά. Most likely, if you say έτσι και έτσι or όχι καλά, Greeks will often ask, what's wrong? Γιατί έτσι και έτσι? Γιατί όχι καλά? This is just how Greeks show that they care about you. If you want to be more emphatic, like I'm well or I'm not well, just add εγώ to the beginning. Εγώ. Εγώ καλά. Εγώ πολύ καλά. Εγώ έτσι και έτσι. Εγώ όχι καλά. Finally, let's learn one more phrase. Και εσύ. Και εσύ. Και εσύ. And you. For example, someone asks you, τι κάνεις? You reply, πολύ καλά. Και εσύ. That's all for this lesson. I hope you learned a lot and I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah.